Yeah, she ate like 2 Takis.
I just feel like I was close.
Jelana, look at me. Oh, where's your glasses?
Yeah.
Where you going? Ah! Okay, follow you. Oh, yeah. Did you wipe it? She wiped it first before she brought it. I thought you guys together outside and... Well... Oh, makeup? Okay. Yeah, we can bring that outside. Oh, that's a lot of toy. You're going now? Okay. Are we bringing that all? Okay. Oh, I thought you were gonna do your bike. Your bike. You want me to hold the balloon? Oh. Hold the balloon. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me that. Oh, you can? Oh. She knows your protocol. She brought, that's why I thought I thought it's okay with you because she said, I wipe it, Mom. See, she's wiping it and all that, so that's why I thought you're like, okay.
Mom's not she's walking around.
You're purple tomorrow.
Purple.
You like purple one now.
Eh, you're wearing purple one now, sabi niya.
Hala. Purple. Anong purple mo? This one?
Kailangan pants kasi maglalaro sila sa gar.
Purple.
Oh yeah, you have a purple shirt.
Yung bike.
Yeah, but this is purple, your doggy. Jelana, that's purple.
Malaki naman yan. I go look for purple.
Meron siyang purple na yung sa Hawaii and sa, ano ba yun yung isa pa? Okay, come on, atin na.
Here's your pants tomorrow.
Purple. Hi,